Hi guys, today we're looking at the sound. Can you say that with me? There's 4 different ways of writing the sound. Let me show you. So first we've got you are for nurse. Okay? Then we've got the sound for fern. Okay? And then we've got the for third. Third. And then we've got the 4th sound. Okay? For earth, as in the planet Earth. So we're focusing on this one here today, sound. These tend to be in the middle, where this one could be at the front or the middle. You rarely see it at the end of a word. So it'll be at the beginning, like it is here, or in the middle, earth. Okay, pause got that. Okay, so let's focus on a few more words with the sound in. Can you think of any? Let's have a think. I went to the party and I was early. So use your sounds. E. So we know this is the sound we're going to focus on. E-A-R. You can hear the and then the E is made by the Y. If you hear the and the E together, it tends to be the Y that you need to use. Okay? Like friendly, happily, quickly. You got the E. So early. Let's think of another word with the sound in it. Learn. We like to learn. N. Use your sounds. What sounds come here? N. Learn. N. Learn. Okay? Let's try another one. I like to see the shiny pearl. 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 This morning I heard the bird sing a song. Heard. Now heard, there's 2 words. Herd. Herd as in a group of animals, a herd of sheep, or you could say I heard. 2 different ways of spelling. It's known as a homophone. So the one we're looking at is this sound spelling. So d. Heard. So when you've heard someone, it's this one. Just remember the ear, as in heard. Then we've got earn. One day I would like to earn some money. Earn. So you can hear the sound at the beginning here. N. Earn. So your challenge now is, can you think of any words with this sound? The one we've been looking at today. With the E-A-R. Remember, you can find it at the beginning of a word or in the middle. Good luck.